Yeah, say
Stevie,
there,
listen
and
to
Tom
her.
and the dog
Listen.
there laughing. Suddenly, they said something. I said, no, he wouldn't do that to me. No, suddenly, right over my head, over me. I said, you little bastard, you. I said, he did. Come and pissed his pants off. And you wouldn't stop. I'd say, how much he getting there? That thing is gone so high all over me. They're laughing, Hannah.
Comment
Oh,
my
oh
mother told me
God.
the story. They said they were on the ground pissing their pants off.
You
They
know what
couldn't
you
move.
did every
They
time
were hurting.
Maria, every time I slept there, he would get my bra, right? Steal it and shove it in that fireplace. I said, where's my... Stevie, finally he said, this fella, this boy.
Yeah,
No,
I
he put
go.
it down there.
My father cleaned that out years ago, but when I was younger,
What a grandma's so proud.
they found all sorts of stuff. It was a little trap. You come to the house, I'll show you. There's a little trap door there. And bye bye. And my mom said, "Where's my spoon? Where's this? Bye bye." And one day cleaned it out. Dad cleaned it out and found all the stuff. And he